we took him outside now. And then she's just sitting on the stick. You can put him here and then here. And then you can put in one area, and then the two other holes are for breathing. Obviously needs breathing, and then here, breathing. So, and I made this bracelet right now. I'm gonna cut off the extras right now, after this video. And I have to edit it and upload. I think she's a little tired. She's not really reacting. The video I think I took a video and uploaded it. She was climbing here, like here in this area.